Hey, what's going on, guys? Kel Mark with easiestbusiness.com. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip how to find the wall square footage when you're calculating paint job, drywall job, anything like that. So for your standard room, let's just say this is your room, 10 feet, 10 feet, 10 feet, 10 feet. Just for simplicity, for math, these work with any numbers, obviously. So you want to take your length and your width. Obviously this is the same size all the way around, so it doesn't really matter. So your length plus your width times 2. This always made it easier. You can also add all 4 of these up, but 10 plus 10 is 20 times 2 is 40. It's all going to be the same number. So this is going to equal 40. That's going to be your perimeter. So 40 feet is your perimeter of the room. Then you need to know your ceiling height. Let's say your ceiling height is 10 foot. From the finished floor to the ceiling is 10 foot. So 40 times 10, 400. 400 square feet is the square footage of walls in a 10 by 10 room with 10 foot ceilings. And you can obviously replace these numbers with anything else. So your formula is going to be length plus width times 2 times ceiling height. And that's going to equal wall square footage. Now this may seem very simple to some people, but this formula right here will make you a lot of money if you know what to do with it. So length plus width times 2 gives you perimeter times your ceiling height. So all you got to know is 2 sides of the length of your room and then the ceiling height, and you can find the wall square footage. Don't take out for doors or anything like that. This may seem very basic to a lot of people, but I hope people who don't know what they're doing come to my channel to learn. I'm not here to provide tips to experts and people that already know what they're doing. Most likely people who already know what they're doing aren't on YouTube looking for stuff like this. I hope I'm helping someone out there that doesn't know anything about anything and wants to learn something. Maybe they're starting their own paint company. Maybe they just want to calculate how much material they need to paint their room. Whatever it may be, you're welcome here. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. Check out theeasiestbusiness.com. I'm about to be revamping my website soon. I keep talking about the how to read blueprints class. It's definitely coming. I finally got some people to print some blueprints out, and that will be coming soon. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on that. Thanks.